3 common idioms with food. Number 1, bigger fish to fry. When you have bigger fish to fry, it means that you have more important things to worry about. Look, I know that you want to talk about Saturday's party, but honestly, we have bigger fish to fry right now. Number 2, walking on eggshells. This means that you are overly careful when you are dealing with a certain person because they get angry or annoyed very easily. I have no idea what is going on with her. She's been in a bad mood all week. I've been walking on eggshells every time I'm with her. Number 3, to take something with a pinch or a grain of salt. When you take something with a grain of salt, it means that you do not believe that thing is completely accurate. Look, anything that he told you about what happened on Friday should be taken with a grain of salt.